Alright, so this is the answer for number 7 that says, let's say that in seals, the gene for the length of the whiskers has 2 alleles. The dominant allele, big W, codes for long whiskers, and the recessive allele, little w, codes for short whiskers. So we can go ahead and right away make our key. So there's big W equals long and little w equals short. So the next question, A, says, what percentage of offspring would be expected to have short whiskers from the cross of 2 long whiskered seals, one that is homozygous dominant and one that is heterozygous? So what that means is that one of the parents is homozygous dominant, which means that they're big W, and the other is heterozygous, so that's big W, little w. And so the question says, what percentage of offspring would be expected to have short whiskers? You actually don't even need to do the Punnett square to get this answer, but you can if you want to. If you fill it in, you'll notice that there's no possible way to get 2 recessive alleles if one of the parents is homozygous dominant. And in order to have short whiskers, as it says right here, you need to have 2 homozygous recessive alleles. But since you have this parent who's homozygous dominant, you can't get any. That's a big fat 0 right there for A. And B says, if one parent seal is pure long whiskered, so that means another homozygous dominant, and the other is short whiskered, so that has to be little w, what percent of offspring would have short whiskers? And you can tell right away this is the same cross as Poppy and Sky, that you're going to get all heterozygous. And in order to have short whiskers, once again, you have to be homozygous recessive, and since all the offspring will be heterozygous, the answer again is a big fat 0.